In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the archive in Monday.com. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board or archived something and then needed it back later, knowing where to find the archive can save you a lot of time and stress. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open the archive area in Monday.com and what you can expect to see once you're there. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on any main workspace or board view. It doesn't really matter which board you're on, as long as you can see the main interface. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or your avatar. Depending on your account, this might be your actual photo, your initials, or a generic icon if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. Move your mouse over to that avatar and click it once. This will open a small drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down menu, you're looking for the option labeled Archive. It usually appears along with other options related to your profile, account settings, and preferences. Go ahead and click on Archive. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've clicked the correct avatar icon and that the menu is fully expanded. Then look carefully through the list. Once you click on Archive, Monday.com will open a dedicated archive view. This is where all your archived content is organized. On this archive page, you'll see separate sections or tabs for archived boards, items, and documents. Archived boards are entire boards that were removed from your active workspace but kept safely in the archive. This is great if your workspace was getting cluttered and you cleaned it up, but now you need to bring back an old project board. Archived items are usually individual tasks or pulses that were archived from within boards. If you ever can't find a specific task you remember creating, it's worth checking this section. Archived documents cover any docs you've archived, such as meeting notes, project briefs, or planning documents. From this archive view, you can scroll through the lists, search by name, and, depending on your permissions, restore items back into your active workspace whenever you need them. So that's all there is to it. Click your profile avatar, choose Archive, and explore your boards, items, and documents that have been stored there.